The Vibio, from Bellman and Symfon, is a wireless bed shaker alarm that connects to your cell phone through Bluetooth. Vibio is the ideal portable alarm for those who want to be alerted by vibrations. First, let's open the box. And here is the Vibio. Underneath is the charging cable, instruction manuals in multiple languages, and warranty information. Now, we want to download the app from the App Store for iPhone devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Search Vibio or Vibio Bed Shaker app. It should look like this. Download it and open the app. The app will tell you that it would like to use Bluetooth. You must allow to pair your phone. Press OK. Then press Setup Vibio. The next page tells you what is in the box. Press Next Step. A message will pop up saying Vibio would like to send you notifications. You must press Allow for proper setup of the Vibio. You can change the notification settings later in the app. If you open your Vibio for the first time, you need to activate the Vibio by charging the battery. Take the charger cord and plug the USB side into a power adapter and into an outlet. Then plug the other side of the cord into the charging port. The Vibio will start to flash green LED lights to show that it is activated and charging. Press Next Step, and then turn on Vibio by sliding the on-off switch to the right. Then press Next Step, and the app will begin searching for your Vibio. The Vibio app will tell you to pair with Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth on your phone is turned on. Now press Pair. Then Vibio is found. Now, tap the test button to test the connection. Now that Vibio is paired successfully, press Finish, and it will bring you to the welcome screen. These symbols on the top right-hand corner will show the connection status of the Vibio. The first one shows the battery level. The second one indicates that the Vibio is connected to your phone. Now, to set an alarm, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen or the circle in the middle of the screen. This screen is where you will set and edit your alarms. To adjust the time, drag the numbers up or down. The circle will change as you adjust the time. In Repeat, you can choose what days you want this alarm to go off from every Monday to every Sunday. After choosing your days, you can press back in the top left-hand corner and it will bring you back to the Edit Alarm page. Next is Label. This is where you can label the alarm. After you label your alarm, you can press Done. Last is Sound. This is where you can choose the sound that will come from your phone when the alarm goes off. Once you have finished making the settings, press Save in the top right-hand corner. When the alarm goes off, you can pull the strap once to snooze the alarm, or pull twice to stop the alarm. This can also be done from the app. You can have multiple saved alarms in the app if you want. Just press the plus button again and set a new alarm. You can save up to 10 alarms at a time. To edit an alarm, go to the desired alarm in the screen and press the Edit button. After editing, press Save. You can also turn off and on your alarms with the on and off buttons. Off will deactivate the alarm, and on will reactivate an alarm. To delete an alarm, press the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. A red Delete button will appear. Press it, and the chosen alarm will be deleted. You can change the settings by pressing the menu button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Then press Settings. This is where you can change the snooze function and choose time intervals. You can also change the power of the vibration to soft, medium, and strong. And you can set the Vibio to alert you when you get a phone call or a message. If you see symbols like these on the top right-hand corner, it indicates the Vibio is not connected to your cell phone. Check if Vibio is turned on, or the Bluetooth on your cell phone is turned on. If there was a problem with pairing the Vibio, Follow these steps. Pull the strap and hold until you see the lights blinking fast. Pull the strap one more time and hold until the lights start blinking slow. Now Vibio has cleared its memory and has re-entered pairing mode. Go to your settings and turn on Bluetooth. If Vibio is already on the list, then press Forget this device. Now go to the Vibio app, go to the menu, and select Set up a new Vibio. Then, follow the pairing instructions from earlier in the video. The lights shown on the Vibio have different indications. They only show when there is an action performed with Vibio or the app. A blue LED will blink slowly when Vibio is waiting to be paired. A red LED will blink when the battery is low. A green LED blinking means it is charging. A steady green LED means it's fully charged. The battery takes 1.5 hours to charge and can last up to 10 days after fully charging. A white LED will blink once when you turn the Vibio off or turn it on. The white LED blinks 4 times after an alarm or a setting has been changed. And a white LED will blink continuously when the alarm is going off. A yellow LED will blink when there is an incoming call or incoming message. And that is the Vibio.